Hi everyone, I am MVLNM Raju. Welcome to chemistry class. In this video, I would like to explain zero order reaction. Okay, in previous video, I explained what is order of reaction. Using order of reaction, we can define zero order reaction. What is order of reaction? The sum of the exponents of concentrations of reactants in rate equation is called order of reaction. Okay, so zero order means the sum of the exponents must be zero. X plus y must be zero. Zero order is nothing but sum of the exponents x plus y must be 0. Clear all of you? How can we define zero order reaction? See how I am defining reaction in which rate is directly proportional to zeroth power of concentration of reactant. That is called zero order reaction. Zero order reaction. Clear all of you? Zeroth power. Okay, using this definition we can write differential rate equation. See, I am writing differential rate equation for zero order reaction. Differential rate equation. Okay. What is differential rate equation? A rate equation that explains the dependence of rate on concentration of reactants in time interval. Okay. So R is equal to K into A power 0. Clear all of you? A power 0. Zeroth power. Okay. How this reaction has been written? From a general reaction. Consider a reaction. A gives rise to products. Okay. What is A? Reactant. From this equation, I have written this rate equation. Clear? This is called differential rate equation. What is differential rate equation? R is equal to some constant K into concentration of A power 0. So this is 0th power. That's why, what is the order of this reaction? Therefore, order of reaction is equal to power 0. That's why this is zero order reaction. Okay. A power 0, we know this value is 1. So, in this rate equation, R is equal to K into 1. There is no concentration term. That's why rate is independent of concentration of reactant. So, using this expression, zero order reaction can also be defined as another definition. A reaction in which rate is independent of concentration of reactant. Clear all of you? Is called zero order reaction. How can we find whether this reaction is zero order, whether that reaction is first order? If rate is independent of concentration of reactant, then the reaction is said to be known as zero order reaction. Clear all of you? This is zero order reaction. Okay. This reaction describes the dependence of rate on concentration of reactants only in time interval. It cannot explain the dependence of rate on concentration of reactants at any time t. How can we find that? That gives only integrated rate equation. To find that, we should convert this differential rate equation into integral rate equation. How can we write integral rate equation for zero order reaction? Okay, note down fast. Now I am going to explain integral rate equation for zero order reaction. Why should we derive integral rate equation for zero order reaction? Differential rate equation only describes the dependence of rate on concentration of reactants in time interval. Okay, that cannot explain the dependence of rate on concentration of reactants at particular time t. That's why we have to derive integral rate equation. Okay, this integral rate equation can be derived by integrating differential rate equation. See how I am deriving. First we should write differential rate equation for zero order reaction. Okay, that is R is equal to minus d bracket A by dt, that equals to k into A power 0. Power 0 means zero order reaction. This is very, very important. See, this can be changed into, this is 1. That implies, see, d of A is equal to minus k dt. Bracket A is equal to bracket A power 0 is equal to 1. Okay. This is another form of differential rate equation. From this we can derive integral rate equation. Okay. See, integral rate equation can be derived by integrating differential rate equation. Clear all of you? Integral rate equation can be derived by integrating this differential rate equation. Okay? Let it be 1. Taking integrals on both sides, integral d of A is equal to minus k constant, integral dt. What we know? Integral d of x is equal to x. Okay. So integral d of A is equal to, that implies bracket A, that is equal to minus k integral dt. Clear all of you? If we integrate any content, we should take some constant c, where c is equal to integrating constant. Okay, c is equal to constant. Let it be 1. How can we calculate value of c? Okay, value of c can be calculated by substituting values. See, if time t is equal to 0, time t is equal to 0 means initial time. Okay, before starting the reaction, initial time means before progressing reaction. Okay, that implies bracket A is equal to bracket A naught. What is A naught? Where bracket A naught is equal to initial concentration. What is bracket A? Concentration after time t. What is A naught? Initial concentration. CON means concentration. Bracket A means concentration after time t. Okay. If time t is equal to 0, time t0 means in the beginning of the process. Okay. Before progressing the reaction, initial time, bracket A is equal to bracket A naught. What is A naught? Initial concentration, starting amount, starting concentration. Substituting these two in one. Substituting in one, equation 1 we get. Clear all of you? T is equal to 0, bracket A is equal to bracket A naught. Okay, bracket A is equal to A naught is equal to minus k into 0 plus c. Okay, so this is 0. So that implies bracket A naught is equal to c. So we have derived c value. What is the value of c? Bracket A naught. Now substituting c in 1. Substituting value of c 1. Value of c in 1 we get. Clear all of you? Yes, substituting C in 1, that implies bracket A is equal to minus KT plus bracket A naught. Okay, bracket A naught. Note down first. Bracket A is equal to minus KT bracket A naught. This is integral rate equation for zero order reaction. Let it be 2. See this one. Bracket A is equal to minus KT plus bracket A naught. From this we can write KT is equal to, if we take this one this side, bracket A naught minus bracket A. That implies K is equal to 1 by T bracket A naught minus bracket A. We can write like this. Right? Clear all of you? What is K? K is equal to bracket A naught minus bracket A by T. What is A naught? Where A naught is equal to initial concentration. Bracket A is equal to concentration at time T. Okay, what is T? Time for progress of reaction. Clear all of you? Let it be 3. This is called integral rate equation for zero order reaction. This is integral rate equation for zero order. Okay, for zero. Tell me what is integral rate equation for zero order? K is equal to A naught minus bracket A by T. Clear? This is another form of integral rate equation. Bracket A is equal to minus KT plus bracket A naught. This can be taken as integral rate equation. This is equation for K. What is K? Rate constant. K naught. What is K naught? Rate constant for zero order reaction. K naught is equal to bracket A naught minus bracket A by T. This is called integral rate equation for zero order reaction. Clear all of you? Note down fast. This is one form. This is another form. Okay.